Mushroom and capsicum fajitas. Prepare the ingredients. Finely slice half a red onion into crescents. Mince 2 garlic cloves. Thinly slice 1 red capsicum. Thinly slice 10 mushrooms. Heat a pan over a high heat, add the onion and garlic, add the capsicum and saute for 2 minutes. Add the mushrooms and saute for 2 minutes. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mix well and set aside. For the salsa, finely dice 1/4 of a red onion. Mince 1 garlic clove. Roughly chop 4 tomatoes. Chop 1 handful of fresh coriander. Place all ingredients into a bowl, mix well with a pinch of salt. For the guacamole, in a bowl, mash the flesh of 2 avocados. Roughly chop 4 small tomatoes and add to the bowl. Add 1 minced garlic clove. Add the juice of 2 small limes. Add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped red chili. Add 1 pinch of salt. Mix well. To serve, place a salsa in a small serving bowl. Place the guacamole in a small serving bowl. Each person to serve themselves by placing a spoon of each mixture into a wrap and then eat.